Google has just rolled out a new software update, and this time, it finally includes the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 lines. After skipping these models in the monthly November update, Google has released a fresh build that brings them back into the update cycle through the Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 release for Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 owners who felt left out. This is great news! It means your phone isn't forgotten. You'll just need to be part of the Android beta program to get the new software. Let's break down what's new, how to install it, and what you should know before jumping in. Pixel 6 and 7 finally get the new update, so here's what's happening. Earlier this month, many Pixel users noticed something strange. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 7 series didn't receive Google's November update. It was a rare situation since these models are still within their software support window. Now, Google has clarified that while these phones won't get the regular monthly patch right now, they are included in the Android 16 quarterly platform release beta, which is basically the testing phase for the next big Pixel feature drop expected in December. That means, instead of waiting for the December rollout, you can install this beta today and experience some of the latest fixes and improvements early. Which devices are eligible? Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 update is now available for a wide range of Pixel devices. It starts from the Pixel 6 series all the way up to the latest Pixel 10 Pro Fold and even the Pixel tablet. Here's a quick list. Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 6a, Pixel 7, Pixel 7 Pro, Pixel 7a, Pixel Fold, Pixel 8 series, Pixel 9 lineup, Pixel 10 lineup, and the Pixel tablet. If you own any of these, you can install the new beta build right now by heading to Settings greater than System greater than Software Update greater than System Update and following the on-screen instructions. The Pixel 6 series gets build number BP41.25091615, while the Pixel 7 and newer models get BP for 1.250916.015.01. What single quotes as new in this update? This beta release still includes the October security patch, so it's not bringing a new security level yet, but it does fix one important issue that's been frustrating users, a lock screen bug that caused devices to freeze and stop responding. That's been addressed in this update, labeled as issue number 457,527,675. If you're already enrolled in the Android 16 QPR2 Beta program, you don't have to do anything special. The update should automatically reach your phone soon. If you're not part of the beta yet, don't worry. Signing up is easy and doesn't require a factory reset later, as long as you follow the right steps. How to join the Android 16 beta program if you want to try out the new update before everyone else. Here's how to join the Android 16 QPR2 Beta program. First, go to the Android Beta program website. Once there, tap on the box that says View your eligible devices. You'll see your Pixel phone listed on that page. Under the image of your device, there's a button that lets you opt into the beta program. After you've opted in, open your phone and go to Settings greater than System greater than Software Update, then check for updates. You should see the new beta build available for download. Once the stable version of Android 16 QPR2 rolls out, most likely in December or early next year, you'll have two options. You can either opt out of the beta program and move back to the stable channel without losing your data, or stay in and continue receiving early builds, including the March 2026 Pixel feature drop beta when that becomes available. What this means for Pixel users: this update shows that Google is still supporting older models like the Pixel 6 and Pixel 7, even if it's doing so through the beta channel for now. It also gives users a chance to experience some of the new features and fixes before the public release. The upcoming December feature drop is expected to include more performance optimizations, AI-based improvements, and refinements to Android 16's interface. Joining the beta is a good way to test those changes early, but keep in mind, beta builds can sometimes be less stable. In short, if you've been frustrated that your Pixel 6 or 7 didn't get the November update, this is your chance to catch up. The Android 16 QPR2 Beta 3.3 release puts those devices back in the spotlight, with important fixes and early access to the next wave of Pixel features. So, go ahead, check your settings, and see if the update is waiting for you. Your Pixel's next big refresh might be just one tap away.